Okay, now I've come back out, and there's our little friends. Hello! And there's the crested crane up there. And over here we have some pescad parrots. These are the ones I was trying so hard to see in the Offax, or possibly in nimble crang up in the mountains. And no luck. So here they are. Unfortunately, the only ones I get to see are the ones in captivity. There's my husband. He wants to scratch the bird of paradise. And this is the Papua Aviary. It's just stunning. I mean, very well planted. I mean, the birds here obviously very well looked after. Up in is the lorry feeding station. And there's an Amboina king parrot just flew past. There he is over there. Can't focus again. Okay, here's a Victoria crown pigeon. And there's a signboard there. Now I saw some of the wild ones near Jamil's. They come and visit his garden, and they're free flying, and apparently they just like a free lunch. Oh, another lorry station over here. Alright, well, some peacocks. Oh, there he is, just displaying nicely now. And there's signboards to be introduced to the birds. Now these yellow streak lorries, they're from the southern part of Papua, so they were out of range for me on this trip. Now up there, those are black lorries. And I'm pretty sure I saw them yesterday in Sarong, the lowlands of Sarong. They were really, really far away in the tree, but they were definitely making lorry noises, and they were definitely black. So I say it's a pretty fair chance that's what they were, even though I couldn't get close enough. Here's another feeding station. And we got an assortment of lorries here, and a fruit dove. I think it's an orange-cheeked fruit dove, perhaps. And there's just like all these little paths and everything. And if you go up there, there's like a lorry feeding station. They'll give you a dish of lorry food, and they'll come and sit on you and eat from your hands. Hopefully not poop on your head. So this is the Papua Aviary of Bali Bird Park. So we're starting to get a lot of tourists now. So I might have to stop filming.